Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be walking through the process of creating a contact form on your WordPress website. Having a contact form is essential for your visitors to get in touch with you easily and provide feedback or inquiries. So let's get started and to see how easy it is to add contact form to your WordPress website. So for this video, we are going to try out the plugin on TestWP, which allows you to sign up to a free demo site. It's free and you don't even need to register to WordPress. Okay, so this is our temporary website. Now here we are going to create our contact form, and for that we will be needing the Easy Form plugin. So we're going to install the plugin. Let's click on this Add New button and upload the plugin. Let's now activate the plugin. Okay, this is it. Our plugin is already activated. Now we're going to create our form. For that, we need to go to our Easy Forms. And here you can see that we have this Add New button. We need to click on that. First, we need to give a title to our form. For example, let's go with Contact Form. Okay, this is it. Then we need to give a page title to our form. Let's go with Contact Us. Here we can see that we also can give a page description if we want. So now we are going to add fields to our contact form. So the first field that all contact forms need is name field. Now we're going to add the field here. Here we're going to type name, and from question type we're going to select the name. Okay, this is it. The next field that we need for our contact form is email. Let's also choose from question type email. And here I am also going to add a message field. And from question type, I'm going to select paragraph. So this is it. Now I'm going to click on this Save and Close button to save our contact form. So this is our contact form. Now we're going to copy this shortcode and create a new post for this, for our contact form. So let's create it right now. Now we're going to give a name to our post. And here we are going to pass the shortcode. Okay, this is it. Now we're going to click on this Publish button. Okay, and view our post. Okay, so this is our contact form. I have already changed the design of my contact form, which you can do as well. Now let's go back to our dashboard and consider some configurations that we had here. So let's go to our contact form and see the configurations. So here let's start with email. So here we can see that this plugin allows us to add a placeholder, also a default value, and also here we can have a description section if we want. We have here admin node, we can enable this feature. We have enable confirmation feature. So this additional feature allows us to inform our user that they need to verify, they need to confirm their emails. And finally here we have also required feature, and if you want this field to be required for your contact form, you are going to enable this section. Let's go back to our name field, and here we can see that we have some additional features here. We have enable limitation. We can limit our contact form by their characters or words, so we can limit the acceptable length, so how much we want, and just by clicking on here we can show word character counter. So this was it, and I hope you liked the video. see how simple it was to create a contact form on your WordPress website. So if you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to see our content more. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.